Polar bears. Polar bears have thick fur to keep them warm. Polar bears also have fat or blubber that keep their bodies warm in cold temperatures. A polar bear's body is so good at trapping heat, they can actually sometimes become too warm. They move slowly and they rest often to avoid overheating. Polar bears will even swim to cool down on warm days or after physical activity because their fur and fat are such good insulators. Polar bears also keep warm in cold temperatures because they have black skin that soaks up the sun's warming rays of sunshine.